Pronunciation of the sound J and J. Sounds J and J are pronounced the same. The best way to practice how to pronounce the J sound in Polish is firstly to say Z. Please repeat Z. Please repeat after me. Z. 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 Please repeat after me. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Did you notice that when pronouncing Z, the tongue is located at the bottom of your mouth? This time, move your tongue back and try to say Z with your tongue placed back. Z. Z. Once more. Z. Źrebak. 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 Źle. 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 Źródło. 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 Ziemia. 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 Zielony. 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 To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia. How did you do it? Please let me know.